Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best rapid egg cooker in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best rapid egg cooker in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a convenient and versatile kitchen appliance designed to make preparing eggs quick, easy, and hassle-free. Whether you prefer soft-boiled, hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, or steamed eggs, this compact cooker delivers consistent results every time. It can cook up to 7 eggs at once, making it ideal for busy mornings, meal prep, family breakfast, or healthy snacks. With its simple one-touch operation, you can enjoy perfectly cooked eggs in just minutes without constantly monitoring the stove. The included measuring cup ensures accurate water levels for your desired level of doneness, while the recipe guide offers creative meal ideas to expand your breakfast menu. The poaching tray and steaming tray also allow you to prepare vegetables, dumplings, and other light meals with ease. Made from BPA-free materials, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is safe for everyday use and features dishwasher-safe removable parts for quick and easy cleanup. Its compact design saves valuable counter space and is perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or small kitchens. Reliable, efficient, and user-friendly, this egg cooker is an excellent addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. The Teslux Electric Rapid Egg Cooker is a convenient kitchen appliance designed to make preparing eggs quick, simple, and hassle-free. With a capacity to cook up to 6 eggs at once, it is perfect for busy mornings, family breakfast, meal prepping, or healthy snacks. Whether you prefer hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or fluffy omelets, this versatile cooker delivers consistent and delicious results every time. Equipped with an automatic shut-off feature, the Teslux egg cooker helps prevent overcooking while providing added safety and convenience. Simply add the recommended amount of water, place your eggs in the tray, and let the cooker handle the rest. Its compact, lightweight design fits neatly on any countertop without taking up valuable kitchen space, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small kitchens. The easy-to-clean removable parts make maintenance effortless, while the efficient heating system reduces cooking time compared to traditional stovetop methods. Enjoy perfectly cooked eggs with minimal effort and maximum convenience. The Teslux Electric Rapid Egg Cooker is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering reliable performance, versatility, and time-saving functionality for everyday cooking. Number 3. The Bella Egg Cooker is a simple and efficient kitchen essential designed to make meal preparation easier for busy households. With the ability to cook up to 7 large eggs at once, it is perfect for families, meal preppers, and anyone who enjoys healthy, protein-packed meals. Whether you prefer soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, this rapid cooker delivers consistent results every time with minimal effort. Beyond boiling eggs, the Bella Egg Cooker also functions as a convenient poacher, allowing you to prepare delicious poached egg for breakfast, salads, sandwiches, and more. Its compact design saves valuable countertop space while offering impressive cooking capacity. The cool touch handles and dishwasher-safe lid make handling and cleanup quick, safe, and hassle-free. Simply add water using the included measuring guide. Place the eggs in the tray and let the cooker do the rest. No more guessing cooking times or watching pots on the stove. Ideal for busy mornings, healthy snacks, meal prepping, and family breakfasts. The Bella Egg Cooker combines convenience, reliability, and versatility in one compact appliance, making it an excellent addition to any modern kitchen. Number 4. The Elite Gourmet EGC007CHC Rapid Egg Cooker is a convenient kitchen appliance designed to make preparing eggs quick, simple, and hassle-free. With the ability to cook up to 7 eggs at once, it delivers perfectly hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs every time. The included measuring cup helps you achieve your preferred level of doneness, while the eggs are easy to peel for effortless serving. This versatile cooker also functions as a poacher and omelet maker, allowing you to prepare poached eggs, fluffy omelets, and steamed vegetables with ease. Its automatic shut-off feature and built-in audible alarm provide added safety and convenience by notifying you when cooking is complete. The compact, lightweight design fits easily on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs. Cleanup is quick thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe accessories. A 16-recipe booklet is included to inspire delicious breakfast ideas and creative meals, whether you're preparing breakfast with family or meal prepping protein-packed snacks. The Elite Gourmet EGC007CHC Rapid Egg Cooker offers reliable performance, versatility, and time-saving convenience, making an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Number 5. The Vobaga electric egg cooker is a convenient kitchen appliance designed to make preparing eggs and other healthy foods quick, easy, and hassle-free. With its rapid heating technology, this versatile egg boiler cooks soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with consistent results every time. It also allows you to poach eggs, steam vegetables, and prepare dumplings, making it a practical addition to any busy kitchen. Featuring a durable stainless steel heating plate and a compact, modern design, the Vobaga electric egg cooker fits neatly on any countertop, while saving valuable space. The automatic shut-off function prevents overcooking and provides added safety, giving you peace of mind during meal preparation. Simply add water using the included measuring cup. Choose your preferred doneness and let the cooker handle the rest. Perfect for families, students, and anyone with a busy lifestyle, this electric egg cooker delivers delicious, nutritious meals in minutes with minimal effort. Easy to operate and clean, it simplifies breakfast, meal prep, and healthy snacking, making it an essential appliance for every modern home.